This question here again is histogram. Firstly, it says that this histogram shows the weights in kilogram of 504 athletes. Now, 45 athletes weighed under 60 kg. So we know this particular section, this one here, 40 to 50, and then 50 to 60, there should be altogether 45 athletes. Calculate an estimate of the number of athletes between 70 and 95. So this is the one that we need to work out. So between 70 here, yeah, and then 95. My 95 is in the middle there. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is let's decide the section where we need to work out the frequency. So 70 to 95, so that is 70 to 90. So that one is there. And the other one would be from here to here. Well, this is essentially half the value between 90 and 100. Okay? We need to work this out based on the bit of information that's given here. Now, 45 athletes weighed under 60 kg. That's this section and this section. Let's work out. Now we know that the area is equals to frequency. So I'm going to write down here, area is equals to frequency. So area is equals to frequency. So we can use this bit of information to help us. Start by looking at 40 to 60. How many little strips of this we have? Look, I've got this prepared beforehand. There are 4 strips here. And then on this side, there are 11 strips. So I can say 4 strips here, 11 strips here. So they are altogether 15 strips. Now, 15 strips of this represents 45 athletes. Why? Because they are all under 40. They are all under 60 kg. So 15 strips is equals to 45 athletes. Therefore, one strip will be equals to 45 divided by 15, and that's equals to 3. So I know every strip that I see now, they mean or they represent 3 athletes. The next step now is to work out how many strips do we have here. Now it's easier for the values between 70 to 90, slightly trickier between 90 to 80. Let's look. For 70 to 80, all this is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So there are 30 strips here. There are 30 strips here. So that's altogether 60 strips. Okay. Now here, well, from here to here is one whole strip. But what we have is only half a strip. Not a problem. What we could do is let's work out the value of the whole strip. And then let's halve it. So it's quite easy. So that's 10. That's 20 strips. That's 30 strips. That's 40 strips. And that's 42 strips. Half of 42 strips, 21 strips. So how many strips are there altogether? 60 plus 21. So 60 plus 21 is equals to 81 strips. Therefore, the total number of athletes, because every strip is 3, so 81 times 3 is, using your calculator, will give you 243. And that is your answer. If you don't understand this, play the video one more time and see if it makes sense.